I sound like a news reporter. Like, hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this video. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I do my brows and make my eyebrows look fleekity fleek. I have been getting a lot of questions on how I do my eyebrows, so I figured why not go ahead and do my eyebrows and film a tutorial on them. They're super easy to do, and honestly you don't need a lot of product. So if you guys like to see how I get my eyebrows like this, then please keep watching. The first thing you're gonna need is this eyebrow brush. Then you're gonna need a pencil, depending on what color you use for your eyebrows. It could be dark brown, brown, or black. I'm using black for now, but I usually use brown. Then you would need a concealer brush just to clean up your brows. And then you're gonna need a concealer. Try to go like a shade lighter than your skin tone. And then a fluffy brush to blend everything out. So the first thing I'm gonna do is brush my eyebrows just to make sure that everything is laying down flat. You guys look, I have no eyebrows. It's so sad. So I'm gonna go underneath and line underneath my brow. And I'm going over my brow bone. And you want to be as light as you can holding this, because you don't want to put too much product on your brows, because then they look really, really fake and super drawn on. So when it comes to the end of your brows, you just want to darken it up a little bit. But when you're going towards the beginning, you want to be really soft and just start stroking so it looks more like hair. And then you're just gonna use your eyebrow brush and kind of blend everything in. And don't worry if you're kind of making it look a little like blurred out, especially the lines, because after you use your concealer, it's gonna clean all of it and you're gonna see your eyebrow look more defined. So I'm gonna go in with this concealer and the concealer brush, and I'm just gonna line and clean up the bottom. And you honestly want to take your time doing this part because you don't want to go over where you've already made darker. And then I'm just going to drag it down because I am going to wear eyeshadow later on in the day. And that's just going to help my eyeshadow be a little more pigmented. And then I'm going to go over the top of my brow and clean that up as well. When you are going over with the top of your brow, make sure you really blend that concealer in really well, because a lot of people walk around and it looks like the only thing on their face that stands out is their eyebrows, and you definitely don't want that. And you don't want to put a lot of concealer as you did at the bottom on the top. And then I'm just gonna blend everything out. Makes me feel like I can't live without. And now I'm gonna do the same thing that I did here to this eyebrow. And then I'm just gonna go in with this brush and then blend everything. I actually did a bomb job, like a bomb diggity job. Like, look at me, the YouTuber. Don't it look weird because you can't see my mouth, but I'm talking anyway? And you just want to make sure from all angles it's blended out. Another thing is you want to make sure your eyebrow starts here, like where your eye starts, and then curves to where your eye is right here. You don't want it to, like, it literally has to end right here. And that's what I did. So after you do this test, it also helps make sure that your eyebrows are proportionate to your face. Because certain people make their eyebrows super thick and certain people make it all the way long, and it just kind of distorts your face, because your eyebrows honestly shape your face. So you just want to make sure that you're having the right shape for your face so you don't look all crazy. I got you, girl. You was good. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you like the way my eyebrows came out, because I certainly do. But definitely make sure that your eyebrows are shaped in a way that suits your face, because sometimes people be doing all kinds of things and you don't want to be one of them people, so just take your time with your eyebrows. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want another how-to video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this eyebrow tutorial, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.